what's up? Welcome back. If you're anything like me, you save every little piece of scrap wood and every little cut off, and you're like, oh, I'm going to make something with this someday. I'm going to use this for something. And you end up with boxes or drawers or whatever, full of friggin' scrap wood. So anyway, so today I'm going to try to make something out of a scrap wood. Stick around, man, it'll be fun. So what I decided to do is I'm going to make a couple of ornaments. It's getting colder now, starting to think about Christmas, so I'm going to make just like a spindle ornament here. And then I think I'm going to cut this up. I'm going to make it like an inside out kind of ornament out of this. So stick around, it should be cool. I'm going to try to square up these blocks for our inside out ornaments. So I tried to square these up. Let's see what we got. They look good this way.
Yeah, I think it'll be alright this way also. So what I'm going to do is put these. I'm just going to put a little dab of hot glue on the ends here. Here. Together. Get that to stick together. Do the same thing here. Get to stick together. Try to decide which way is the best. Best bet. Put a little hot glue. Just for a little extra protection. Put some tape on the end.
Ready to start turning. I also squared off the ends of these so we can make our spindle out of this and our inside out of this. So on these inside out blocks you have your center mark because you got your 4 pieces. You can see the shape I got in here. It's not going to be super fancy, but it's going to be kind of cool. When I flip it around, I'm going to try to make like a ball. So, while you have it in this position, you have to take the opportunity to sand it and finish it because you won't be able to reach it when you get inside later.
So here we are, halfway done. Sanded this down to like 220, used some abrasive paste, and then I waxed it. Now what we gotta do is take it apart and flip it inside out, or outside in, or the other way.
Awesome. Beautiful. Those are the things.
The heck was that? Alright, we're gonna let this, alright, we're gonna let, Alright, we're gonna let this dry a little bit, and then we'll put them together. It's good. That polish is coming out nice. Anyway, meanwhile, we can start on this spindle. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this in the center here. Give it a couple of nice whacker. Whacker. And he, the other center.
I am truly sorry for the horrible camera view. I am experimenting with new angles, and obviously this one is not any good. But I didn't want to throw away the footage because it's the only footage I had. Thank you. So I sanded this up, and I used some abrasive polish, and I waxed it, beeswax, and I put a little burn mark on it. It looks pretty cool. Looks pretty cool. Piece of walnut. I mean, it was just a piece of scrap sitting in my drawer. I'll get a little eye hook, and I'll have a new ornament for my Christmas tree. It's pretty cool.
Now let's get this other one together. Gotta finish this one up. Take these clamps off.
Hey, they're pretty flat. I love this. Is mahogany. This stuff is awesome. I'm so glad I went on Craigslist and I did some guy was tearing up an old house and he had these mahogany door jambs. That fits pretty good. You're ready to glue that up. Now you gotta you don't want to get glue inside here because you really can't clean it. I'm just gonna keep it to the outside. So the glue's all dried up on this. Let's square it off and get it on the lathe and see how it comes out. There you have it. Two Christmas ornaments. I just got to get little eye hooks on there, but they came out pretty cool. This one's got a little finial on it. This one's got a nice. You could drill a hole and put like a little LED light in there or something. But anyway, there you have it. Some scrap wood projects. So I was right all along, saving all that scrap wood. Look at that, I could even glue them together and make some kind of little, I don't know, spaceship. I'll give you a couple little quick close-ups, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Thanks so much.